How's it going, gearheads and adventure seekers? Welcome back to Autonet ID. Today, we're bringing you a blast from the past with a futuristic twist. Buckle up, because the iconic Toyota Stout is back for 2025, and it's ready to tackle any challenge you throw at it. Let's check out this modern marvel. The all-new black metallic Stout. First up, that imposing front fascia. The classic Stout design gets a modern makeover with a bold black grille featuring a glowing blue Toyota emblem in the center. Razor-sharp LED headlights with integrated daytime running lights ensure maximum visibility on any adventure. A sculpted hood with integrated air vents hints at the powerful engine lurking beneath. The Stout silhouette is a perfect blend of rugged functionality and futuristic design. The muscular fenders with integrated black cladding and aggressive tire treads scream off-road prowess, while the aerodynamically designed side mirrors and integrated running boards with glowing Toyota logos add a touch of modern flair. The black metallic paint shimmers in the sunlight, accented by a subtle blue stripe that runs along the body, adding a touch of sportiness. The back of the Stout is just as impressive as the front. Futuristic LED taillights, inspired by the classic Stout taillights, blaze to life with a dynamic lighting sequence. A muscular integrated spoiler adds a touch of aerodynamic downforce for improved handling on rough terrain. The truck bed features a hidden, electronically deployable loading ramp and a fully integrated toolbox with easy access from the side of the bed. Functionality never looked so good. This ain't your grandpa's Stout, folks. The 2025 model boasts a next-generation hybrid powertrain that delivers earth-shattering power and incredible fuel efficiency. All-wheel drive with various selectable driving modes ensures it can conquer any terrain, from a snowy mountain pass to a treacherous off-road trail. Plus, with advanced driver assistance features and a futuristic heads-up display, the Stout keeps you safe and informed on any adventure. The 2025 Toyota Stout is a testament to Toyota's commitment to innovation and heritage. It's a truck that combines legendary off-road capability with cutting-edge technology, making it the perfect companion for any adventure. So, if you're looking for a truck that's as comfortable conquering mountains as it is cruising city streets, the 2025 Toyota Stout is the ultimate choice. Let us know what you think of this futuristic legend reborn in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more epic car content. Until next time, happy adventuring!